We had the sunniest and warmest day of the year so far today here in Ireland. A beautiful blue sky all day. And then about an hour ago, I could see a toxic cloud drifting from the Midlands down here towards Wexford. So I went on the satellite and it showed a band of chemtrails going from the west of Ireland all the way to the east of England. So that's about 800 miles long. It was about 50 miles wide. A band of chemtrails. And it's now spreading out, going north, going south, being moved with electromagnetics. And here it is now, pretty much shrouding the sky. You can see what we had there earlier on, a blue sky there, and you can see that line there now. The edge of this toxic cloud has been lined with fresh chemtrails. These are like copper wires. It gives them control over the toxic cloud with the electromagnetic hardware to pull the sheet across the country. You can see it there. They're aiming towards the sun there as well. Just almost 360 coverage as far as the eye can see. Just unbelievable. But also on the satellite, you could see chemtrails going all the way out from the west of Ireland, about 500 miles out into the Atlantic and up the North Sea as well. 500 miles out from land all the way out to sea. So we're talking thousands of square miles possibly of chemicals which have been sprayed into our atmosphere today in order to block the sun here in Ireland and the UK and poison all life. Just unbelievable. Our atmosphere just totally obliterated. There is not one natural cloud creation up in that sky whatsoever. And why people just cannot see this and why people are not outraged by this is beyond my comprehension. This is killing all life, people. Governments call it solar radiation management. And the British government recently announced 60 million in taxpayers' money of funding for efforts to block the sun. So there's no denying this anymore. They're only coming out and telling us they're experimenting now, but they've been actually, governments all around the world have been in on this, doing it for at least 40 years. And all that time, in that 40 years, Earth has lost half of its wildlife. It's just horrific. I'll say that again. Since these programs began to block the sun 40 years ago on a worldwide scale, Earth has lost half its wildlife. And what does Officialdom tell us the reason for this is? Climate change and pollution, which is this. So there's no denying it anymore, people. These psychopaths are blocking our sun and killing all life. So you're either on for the genocide or you're not. It's as simple as that.